In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PowerPoint presentations with ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from an idea to a ready-to-download .pptx file using clear prompts and a few quick refinements. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT, then click the official ChatGPT website from the results. Once you're on the site, you'll see the chat box where you'll do all your work. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and complete that so you can save your conversation and files. Now, type your first prompt. Keep it simple and specific so ChatGPT knows what to build. For example, you can write, "Create a professional PowerPoint presentation about artificial intelligence in business." This gives the model a clear topic and a professional tone to start with. Send the prompt and wait for the initial outline or slide content to appear. Next, review what you get and refine it by adding the details that matter to you. You can guide the structure, the audience, and the style right in the chat. For instance, you might say, target audience, business professionals, purpose, educational, total slides, 12, tone, formal and informative. You can also ask for sections like an introduction, trends, case studies, benefits, challenges, and a conclusion. If you need visuals or speaker notes, mention that too. Clear constraints help the model produce exactly what you need. Click Submit or press Enter to send your refinements. ChatGPT will update the content to match your instructions. If the result isn't quite right, just follow up with adjustments, like shortening long explanations, simplifying jargon, or adding data. Placeholders you plan to fill later. When you're happy with the structure and wording, ask ChatGPT to generate a PowerPoint file you can download by saying, "Create a downloadable PowerPoint PPTX file." The model will package the content into a PPTX for you. Finally, download your PowerPoint file when the link or attachment appears. Open it in your presentation software to check slide layout, fonts, and spacing. This is a great time to add your branding, swap in your own charts or images, and confirm that any statistics are accurate and up to date. Save a backup, and you're ready to present. That's it. Start with a clear prompt, refine with audience and slide details, submit your updates, generate the PPTX, and download. You now have a fast, repeatable way to create professional PowerPoint decks with ChatGPT.